How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another video of the Main Roads from Travel.
They're awesome new shirts.
Unboxing. Yes.
We didn't talk about that in the last episode.
We didn't. I completely forgot all about it. And yeah. So, anyway, we got new shirts. New logo. Yay for us. Oh yeah, I forgot. Cecil, if you're watching, sorry buddy. I know wearing tank tops upsets you, but it's alright. Get over it. Anyway, unboxing. So let's get right into it.
We're gonna try to keep this video short and sweet. Depending on what fun stuff he gets anyway.
Short. Alright, we got... Ooh, that's pretty nifty.
Mine.
Okay. Hardy Boys t-shirt. I feel like I don't really need to open it up because this is pretty much the main part of the shirt. Or, okay. Well, you already said you were gonna... Yeah. Hardy Boys.
We actually got to watch them walk past us. The last Celeb Fest. It was pretty awesome.
So, yeah, she gets all starstruck by that. I'm like, yeah, there.
Oh, really?
Hardy's right there.
Really? Because we could talk about Paige.
Well, you know what? It's different because I actually met Paige and talked to her, and like, just going to going to all these different events now. It's just like get to the point where I'm so used to it, and it's just like it doesn't.
I'm not used to it. It's just I like to watch them with their fans. To me, that's more important than going and getting their autograph. Seeing how they interact with everybody, so we can talk about it on here.
Okay. Sure. Anyway, there's another t-shirt in here. This is...
One you'll have to open.
Yeah, because I don't know what that says. Oh, you didn't know. The Generation X, New Age Outlaws could have used this show. Could have used this shirt at the last Celeb Fest because they both were there together signing autographs. So, New Age Outlaws. They're socks, but I think it's Eddie Guerrero. It looks like it. Latino Heat.
Yes, it's Eddie.
Okay.
Super kick socks.
Woo!
When I glanced down at first, I thought he was in there backwards because I didn't realize there was.
Shockmaster, which was Typhoon, or before that Tugboat, and then Typhoon, one half of the National Disasters. I feel like this could have been a really awesome gimmick if he never tripped over that 2x4. So, if you haven't seen it, if you don't really know anything about the Shockmaster, go on YouTube, type in the Shockmaster. I don't know if it's Shockmaster Trip or Shockmaster Fall, whatever. But, so he's supposed to make his big debut, and the first time they did it, whatever, great, he busted right through a wall without a problem. But apparently, they thought it was too easy, and for some reason, they decided to put a 2x4 or a piece of wood at the bottom of the wall, and they never told him about it. So when he ran out, he tripped over this piece of wood, not realizing that it was at the bottom, and he just fell right through the wall. His helmet rolled off, and yeah, it wasn't good for him. but let's say you go on YouTube, you can watch it. And then we got interesting. Just enjoy wrestling pin. Just enjoy it. Yeah. So you can wear it and people can see, that you just enjoy wrestling. Pretty simple. Then we got a comic of Lucha.
This is Andreas
Idolo.
Yeah.
Which is Charlotte Flair's husband.
Yeah, they just got married.
Yeah.
They were showing pictures on Instagram.
Good for them.
Man, you sound so mean today.
How am I being?
Good for them.
I'm just saying, good for them. I mean, it's not like we got invited to the wedding or anything.
That's so cool. I have to be all...
Yay! No, we're extremely happy for Charlotte and
especially because after hearing, because we listened to the podcast before with what was her name?
I didn't hear that episode.
I could have swore you did. I thought we were listening to that on the way, because that's normally okay. Well, I listened to the podcast where Charlotte was saying, what was the name of the podcast? With Lillian Garcia, right?
Yeah.
She was saying how her last marriage, she was in an abusive relationship. So, and that's how she ended up getting into wrestling, because she wanted to learn to protect herself more.
I always saw it was because of her dad and then her brother.
I'm sure that had something to do with it, but that's just how she was saying, like, why she decided to go into it.
And then, so, the autograph is Danhausen. And, yeah. So, this was the guy before. I was saying it's the guy with the teeth. I didn't know who it was. I knew at the time he was a Ring of Honor wrestler, but now he is on AEW, and I am seeing him more, and he's actually, it's pretty good. Pay-per-view tomorrow night, or maybe it's tonight, I don't know, I don't follow the AEW pay-per-view, but that was like the buy-in match.
I think they said Sunday. Him
and Hook, which is Taz's son, so Danhausen and the Hook are supposed to be teaming up. Yeah, awesome. Really like this. Really cool. Shockmaster.
I was looking to see. Okay, yeah, so I think the variant is sparkly helmet.
Okay.
It says 250 Chase variants included. I was just trying to see.
There's a Chase variant of the Just Enjoy Wrestling pin. Yeah, I gotta see what that looks like, because, I mean, this right here says it all. It just says, Just Enjoy Wrestling. I want to know what the Chase looks like. I mean, how much more enjoyable can that be?
I'll try to include pictures of the variants.
Yeah.
In the video.
So. Well, that's going to do it for this video. And yeah, it's a lot shorter. It's almost 10 minutes long.
Yeah.
So, well, I hope you enjoy your Hardy Boy shirt. And I am going to enjoy my Shockmaster Micro Brawler figure. And that's going to do it for this video of the Many Roads We Travel unboxing. Until next time, see you soon.